Hi, let me show you a little trick that I invented. I'm sure someone else did it before. So it's for TA01, TA02, DF01. One of the weak points is on the motor mounts where the part of it is snapping. So what I used is 25 millimeter countersunk M3 screw. These are way too long, these are 30 millimeters, but I had plenty, so it's fine. You use a drill to make sure to drill through the entire thing. This one is not glue, so I can show you. So you drill over there with an M3 drill, and on the other side, to make sure that the motor is flush, you use an end bit like this to make the countersunk screw fit. So when you have the screw fitting, see, it's flush, or more or less flush. Okay. So you drill also inside the bit left, and the reason for that is to make it slide nicely. Then you put lots of super glue, which I did already on these two. Super glue on the inside, super glue mainly here, and to make sure that it's in check. And the reason for that is to be able to take the motor out, because if not, so you put the nut over here, especially with you know, the tall ones that are self that have a bit of silicone on it. So of course, if you use a 25 millimeter, it will be long enough. This is 30 millimeters, and here we go. So every time you have, and you notice they always break on the same leg usually. So there you go. That's a trick to repair, and it's going to last for a long time.